This is what 40,000 child slaves look like while working in the cobalt mines of Congo. They also working in coltan mines and diamond mines as well. Two quick facts. According to the global data, the Democratic Republic of Congo is the world's fourth largest producer of diamonds in 2022. Second fact, the rechargeable batteries to the smartphones, the computers, the electric vehicles, and the vapes are frequently powered by cobalt mined by workers laboring in slave-like conditions in the Democratic Republic of Congo. A lot of folks assume that if they lived back in the plantation times of America, they wouldn't be complicit of the plantation, but just like so many people was consuming tea and sugar and wearing their cotton out of luxury and comfort, a lot of us that use these old devices are also complicit in the modern day slavery happening in the Congo. In this next clip I'm finna play, watch the subtitles of what this Congolese woman is telling you and putting it into context.
Maisha yangu ya mbele ya vita kwa tofauti, juu tukua fa tunalima ile mashamba, tunaleta ile miogo na ile sombe tunakula. Lakini tangu vile bautu balingia mupori, hatupate tena gisi ya kwenda kushamba, ya kuleta ile sombe, na njoo vitu tunakamatisha tu kazi ya kutwanga maiu. Juu tuone tutapata ile msaada ya kulisha watoto.
And the rebel she was just referencing to, they refer to as the M23 that's backed by the Rwanda and Uganda government. And guess who supports their military efforts? The US, the EU, France, and United Kingdom and other countries should suspend military support to Rwanda as long as it's assisting M23. For the people in the back, when foreign governments go through instability and they have natural resources, who do you think that instability benefits? The American government and all the corporations out west. Think about it. If Congo produces the fourth largest amount of diamonds and they still one of the poorest countries in the world, who does it benefit when they produce and putting all this blood, sweat, and tears and labor into mining diamonds? Y'all remember that Kanye West song? Diamonds are forever. A better question. Why did the occupation state send its director of intelligence to Congo on behalf of a corrupt businessman? Money, 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 money. Here's the impact of why y'all should care about what I'm about to tell y'all in detail. Because of the harsh conditions of diamond mining and the little pay it provides to workers, much of Congo is in poverty. According to UNICEF, the DRC contains over 50% of Africa's water reserve, but 33 million people in rural areas do not have access to potable water. Think about that. Now back to this guy. One of Israel's richest men does his business from a discreet floor in the Israel Diamond Exchange and lives in the nondescript villa in one of Tel Aviv's trapper suburbs. At home, he is little known to the public. But across Africa, his name has long resounded controversially, especially in Congo. Dan Gertler is his name. He's age 48 and he's part of a diamond trading family. He began doing business there in Congo in the 1990s and has since bought lucrative mining concessions, partly due to his closeness to the old people that presided over Congo, the father and the son that was there from 1997 up until 3 years ago, because you know who benefits from instability, and obviously Joseph Kabila, father and son, Lauren, both obviously that was single-handedly making sure and sustaining that old instability. Mr. Gertler's interests in Congo have included diamond, copper, cobalt concessions, some of which sold to Glencore, one of the world's biggest commodities traders.
What you see behind me are the Congolese people being forced to mine natural resources, especially coltan, out of their own free will. And this is being enforced by the militia group of Rwanda and Uganda that is funded by the colonizers, America, Britain, France, and Israel. This is what these people are going through every single day of their lives. This is what's happening. And anyone that refuses to do this, you get either unalived, or if you're a woman or a girl, you're going to be hourly. Like literally, the soldiers take turns to basically assault young women and grown women over and over and over again. In Congo, it's the most unsafe place for any woman and any girl to live there, because of all the atrocities that are happening to them. So this is the reality of the people of Congo. And the world needs to wake up. You guys, we need to talk more about what's happening in Congo, in Sudan, and what's happening around the world, because we have